Hi, I'm Blake Sandus with RMS Roller-Grinder, and I'm the Vice President of Sales.
And I'm Andy Bryan, Sales Engineer at RMS Roller-Grinder.
And today we're going to talk about what is a Brewstillery mill and how you can set your machine up to do it. So, Andy, what is a Brewstillery mill and why was it created?
Okay, so the Brewstillery mill, it's a roller mill, and it's designed so that you can do both a crack, like brewers use on malted barley, or you can use it as a grinder mill to get a finer product out for the distiller's requirements.
And what's the mill, or what's the real difference between the mill for being able to do for brewing or distilling?
So the big difference is the product. So in the brewer, they want to crack the malted barley because they want to use the husk to get a good drain. But a distiller, they're looking to grind the material down to a finer product. And a lot of them will use that material gradient. And so they are looking for a finer product. That's the biggest difference between the two processes.
Okay. And so how is the Brewstillery mill designed or created differently?
So the Brewstillery mill, it has the option of where it can run at 1-to-1 ratio, which is what the brewers like, or we can run at a 1.5-to-1 ratio, which is what distillers typically use.
Okay.
That's how they get the finer grind, is one of the big benefits.
Okay. So who qualifies to be able to turn an existing brew mill into like a Brewstillery mill?
So that's a good question. So yeah, if you're looking into wanting to be able to do both, any typical brew mill that RMS has sold is going to come with a 1-to-1 ratio, but we do have a retrofit kit. And so we can increase the horsepower, change some V-belts. We'll have a VFD starter for one of the motors. And with those changes, you could turn an existing brew mill into a Brewstillery mill.
Interesting. So again, why is this the best solutions for like a brewer looking to getting into distillery?
Well, kind of as we talked about, that changing the speed can be very difficult. And so this gives you the opportunity by a simple switch to be able to run the mill at the speeds you need to do your brew process. And then by switching over to grind, then it will adjust the rolls so that you can get a finer grind that the distiller would prefer.
All right. And what are the next steps for someone that's looking to turn their brewery into a Brewstillery?
The best option would be to reach out to someone at RMS. You can go to our website, and there's a way you can apply or fill out a form there, and that will come to us, and somebody can reach back out to you. The other thing you could do is call us. Phone number is 605-368-9007, and contact someone here, and they can guide you through the process.
All right. Well, thanks again, Andy. And again, like Andy said, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.
Thank you.